लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में कंसेप्ट है दैट इज सो कॉल्ड डायरेक्शंस। डायरेक्शन एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, हमारी लाइफ में भी इसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट यूज है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हमें सिटी ए टू सिटी बी जाते हैं तो हमारे पास रोड्स होती हैं। ये जो रोड्स हैं ये ऐसे नहीं बन जाती, ये डायरेक्शन के हिसाब से रोड्स बनती हैं। लाइक बर्ड्स कंट्री ए से कंट्री बी आते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ डायरेक्शंस, राइट। देन अगर हम कंट्री ए टू कंट्री बी टी रूट से जाते हैं तो वहां पर तो कोई रोड नहीं होती, वहां पर क्या करते हैं, वहां पर वो डायरेक्शन के हिसाब से मूवमेंट करते हैं कि कंट्री ए ये रही, कंट्री बी ये रही, और वो उसी के हिसाब से मूव करते हैं। तो डायरेक्शन हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। सन राइजेस इन द ईस्ट, सेट्स इन द वेस्ट, ये हमारे को बचपन से सिखाया जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्शन। अर्थ भी रिवॉल्व करती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्शन, राइट। तो ये डायरेक्शन जो टॉपिक है ये हमारे लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में आता है, और सीए फाउंडेशन में इसका क्वेश्चंस 4 या 5 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, राइट। कई स्टूडेंट सोचते हैं कि डायरेक्शन से एक बड़ा सिंपल सा लेसन है, बट इसमें कुछ कंसेप्ट्स हैं लाइक चेंज ऑफ डायरेक्शन, ऑन हेड्स, देन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन को इन टर्म्स ऑफ डायरेक्शन में पूछना, शैडो, क्लॉक, ये कुछ कंसेप्ट्स ऐसे हैं जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स कंफ्यूज हो जाता है और अपने मार्क्स लूज कर जाता है। हमने इस वीडियो में इन कंसेप्ट्स को बड़े माइन्यूटली डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है, और आई श्योर यू कि जब आप ये वीडियो देख लेंगे तो इसके बाद आप डायरेक्शंस के जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं वो सारे के सारे खुद ट्राई कर सॉल्व कर लेंगे, राइट। तो वीडियो को बड़े ध्यान से देखिएगा, उसके हर कंसेप्ट को बड़े माइन्यूटली पढ़िएगा, और फिर समझने के बाद क्वेश्चंस करिएगा, राइट। सो स्टे फोकस्ड, हैव अ नाइस डे। Now, dear students, today we will start a new topic which is very, very interesting and familiar to your daily life, so called directions. Now, directions: north, south, east, west. These are the 4 directions. Now, in between north and east, that is northeast. Between north and west, it is northwest. Between south and east, it is southeast. And between south and west, it is southwest. Directions means each and everything. All the weather experts predict the condition of weather, when the rainfall, all the things, storms, this one, they depends upon the direction, from where the winds starts and from where it ends, all depends upon the directions, right. Even the birds migrate from their country to other country according to the required temperature. They move, they fly according to the directions, because by direction they go from their own country to the other, stay over for a long time, and move back to their own country without any hassles, right. So direction is everything in each and every process. Now we know that sun rises from the east, from the south, and moves towards west and sets in the west, right. So if the shadow in the morning towards where, towards west, it means sun is in your back, in means it is in east. So formation of shadow depends upon the situation of sun. Here, now the clock moves clockwise, right? If it moves clockwise, then this direction. If it moves anti-clockwise, then this direction, right? One important thing is that you have to take care about left, right. Initial point is the point where north, south, west, east intersects, right? You move according to the initial point and as per the given problem. Now, the direction tells you according to the initial position from where you have started. Clear? So these are the concepts by which you can handle the problems very easily, right? Take care. Have a nice day. तो डायरेक्शन के कंसेप्ट्स में एक सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हमारे पास आता है शैडो का केस। अगर आप ये देखें कि जो सन है वो मॉर्निंग में ईस्ट की तरफ होता है, इट राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट, राइट? देन अगर सन ईस्ट में है तो पर्सन की जो शैडो है वो टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट होगी, राइट? अब यहां पे डिपेंड करेगा कि अगर आप फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट है, सन ईस्ट में है, शैडो वेस्ट में बनेगी। अगर आप फेसिंग ईस्ट में है, सन ईस्ट में है, तो वेस्ट आपकी बैक में आएगा, बट शैडो बनेगी वेस्ट में ही जाकर आपके पास। क्लियर है आपके पास? राइट नाउ अब नॉर्थ एंड साउथ आपके पास केस आएगा लेफ्ट एंड राइट का। अगर आप मॉर्निंग की बात करेंगे और आप अगर नॉर्थ की तरफ देख रहे हैं तो आपकी जो शैडो बनेगी वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बनेगी, और अगर आप साउथ की तरफ देख रहे हैं, बात मॉर्निंग की ही चल रही है, तो आपकी जो शैडो है वो राइट की तरफ बनेगी। अब इवनिंग की बात आती है। इवनिंग में अगर आप नॉर्थ की तरफ देख रहे हैं तो जो आपकी शैडो है वो टुवर्ड्स राइट आएगी, राइट? और अगर आप साउथ की तरफ देख रहे हैं, इवनिंग में जो शैडो है वो आपके लेफ्ट की तरफ आएगी। क्लियर? तो शैडोज में बेसिकली क्या होता है, जिस साइड सोर्स ऑफ लाइट रहती है, मींस सन रहता है, उसके अपोजिट साइड हमारी शैडो क्रिएट होती है। क्लियर आपके पास? देन नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट, आप अगर नॉर्थ की तरफ देख रहे हैं और ऑन हेड्स आ जाते हैं, मतलब शीर्षासन, और देख आप नॉर्थ की तरफ ही रहे हैं तब भी, तो जो हैंड की पोजीशनिंग है वो 180 डिग्री मूव कर जाती है, वो 180 डिग्री मूव कर जाती है। अगर आपकी एक हाथ वेस्ट की तरफ है, एक हाथ ईस्ट की तरफ है, यानी कि नॉर्थ की तरफ देखते हुए राइट आपका ईस्ट की तरफ होगा, लेफ्ट आपका वेस्ट की तरफ होगा, और जैसे ही आप ऑन हेड्स आएंगे वैसे ही आपका जो राइट हैंड है वो टुवर्ड्स वेस्ट हो जाएगा और जो लेफ्ट हैंड है वो टुवर्ड्स ईस्ट हो जाएगा। क्लियर? अब इसी शैडोज में एक कंसेप्ट और लेकर आते हैं कि अगर हमें पता है कि सोर्स ऑफ लाइट है, मतलब सन है, तो शैडो क्रिएट होगी ही होगी। बट अगर मैं बोलूं कि पर्सन की शैडो नहीं है, इट मींस 12 नून, मतलब दोपहर के 12 बजे सूरज जो सन है वो हमारे टॉप पर होता है और उस टाइम हमारी शैडो नहीं क्रिएट होती। क्लियर है? इस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे। इसी कंसेप्ट्स के ऊपर, इन सब कंसेप्ट्स के ऊपर ही हम क्वेश्चंस करते रहेंगे और ध्यान भी रखेंगे। हैव अ नाइस डे। Now, dear students, I hope you had revised all the concepts on the directions about the sun rises in the east, in the noon it is in the south, then at the west, right, in the evening. Now, today is the first question about the concept is, if a man on a moped starts from a point, start from the point is the point where the both direction lines intersects, right? I will say this is the starting point. Now, a man on a moped starts from a point and rides 4 kilometers south, then turns left and rides 2 kilometers and turn again to the right to ride to go more towards which direction is what it says? It says south, right? Now question number 2, from her home Prerna wishes to go to school. From home she goes towards north and then turns left and then turns right, and finally she turns left and reaches school. In which direction her school is situated with respect to her home? Which direction it shows now according to the figure? Yes, northwest, right? Now question number 3. Daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaj, in the morning means sun is in the east because sun rises from east. Gol Gumbaj, shadow of Gol Gumbaj falls on Barakamman, right? And in the evening, sun is where? In the west. Shadow of Barakamman falls on Gol Gumbaj exactly. So in which direction is Gol Gumbaj to Barakamman? Means according to Barakamman, in which direction it shows now according to the figure? Yes, eastern side. Now the fourth question. K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. Which direction? Northwest. R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. Now with respect to K, M is another place and that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. T is yet another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from M. In which direction T is located in relation to P, right? Now according to the figure, what it shows? It shows west. Clear? Now this is an acrobatic question. In Hindi you can say that Shir Sasan. If X stands on his head with his face towards south, Then left hand points towards, according to the figure, it is in the west, right? A tourist drives 10 kilometers towards west and turns to left and takes a drive of another 4 kilometers. He then drives towards east for another 4 kilometers and then turns to his right and drives 5 kilometers. Afterwards, he turned to his left and travel 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction according to the figure? He is in south. Clear? In a clock at 12:30, hour needle in the north direction, while minute needle in the south direction. In which direction would be minute needle at 12:45? Consider minute needle. It is in, yes, west. After starting from a point, A walks 3 kilometers towards east, then turns to his left, moves 3 kilometers. After this, he again turns left and moves 3 kilometers. Where is A now? Yes, west. So just to remember about north, south, east, west, and in between the directions. Clear? If southeast becomes north, now adjust the directions according to the given requirement. Northeast becomes west, and so on. Then west is in which direction? Southeast direction. Yes. Clear? Just rotate the directions either anti-clockwise or clockwise. Clear? Now, starting from the point X, Jayanth walked 15 meters towards west. He turned right and walked 20 meters. He then turned left and walked 15 meters. After this, he turned to his right and walked 12 meters. How far and in which direction? Jayanth with respect to X. Now, direction is south. And the total distance is what? This, 32. Right? Now, a man is facing west. If his face is towards west, then back towards east. He turned 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. Right? And then another 180 in the same direction, and then 270 in the anti-clockwise direction. Now his face is what? Towards, according to the diagram, just check it. Yes, southwest. Now one evening, means sun is in west. Before sunset, Rekha and Hema were talking to each other face to face, amne samne. If Hema's shadow was exactly to the right of Hema, Now, according to the diagram, Rekha is what? Rekha is facing towards south. Clear? Suresh starts from a point, walks 2 miles towards south, then turns right and walks 1.5 miles, then turn left and walks 1.5 miles. Then he turned back. What is the direction he is facing now? Yes, where is face? Yeah, face towards north, right? Ram starts from his house, goes 5 kilometers in the east. Then he turns to his left and goes 4 kilometers. Finally, he turns left and goes 5 kilometers. It means house is in which direction? Yes, north direction. Here, A starts from a point and walks 5 kilometers north. Then turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Turn again left and 5 kilometers. Now, according to this one, point out the direction in which he is going. He is facing towards south. Here, now this is a very important question. Ram, starting from his house, goes 4 kilometers in the east. Then he turns to his right and goes 3 kilometers. It gives you the right angle triangle. What minimum distance from point A to point C? The minimum distance is the hypotenuse. Hence the triangle is right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, the distance is under root 4 square plus 3 square, that is under root 25, which is equal to 5. Here, so he is covered 5 kilometers. Clear? Rahul puts his timepiece on the table in such a way that at 6 p.m. our hands points towards north. If our hands towards north, then minute hands towards south. In which direction? The minute hand will point at 9:15. At 9:15, yes, it shows west. One morning, Anu and Vijay were talking to each other face to face at crossing. Crossing means where the line of north-south and east-west intersects. If Vijay's shadow was exactly to the left of Anu, then Anu is facing towards, because in the morning means what? Sun is in the east. Therefore, the direction of Anu is facing north. Anurag started walking, positioning his back towards the sun. Now, after some time, he turns left, then turns right, and towards the left again. The direction is, now here the two questions arises. Either he is moving in the morning or in the evening. In morning, if he moves, then answer is south. And in evening, if he moves, then south. Now this is a very important type. Just do concentrate on this type and try to learn as many as possible. If A into B means A is to the south of B, A plus B means A is to the north of B, A percentage B means to the east of B, A is to the east of B, A minus B means A is to the west of B, means multiply means south, plus means north, percentage means east, minus means west. Then P percentage Q plus R plus S, that is equal to what? Southeast direction. Clear? Now just revise the things carefully and do concentrate on the figures to get the exact results. Have a nice day. See you again for the next class.